Yesterday, Cooler Master launched their first mini LED monitor called the Cooler Master GP27-FQS. It features a 27-inch 2K screen made by AU Optronics, a Taiwanese display manufacturer. According to the official specifications, it comes with a mini LED panel, and a resolution of 2560 by 1440p resolution, which on technicality can be called QHD. The display uses quantum dot technology, which enables it to produce an ultrawide color gamut including 100% of Adobe RGB, 97% of DCI-P3, and 83% of BT 2020. It offers 600 nits of brightness, which can be bumped up to 1200 nits in HDR mode, and comes with a Display HDR 1000 certification. The Cooler Master GP27-FQS has a 1000:1 contrast ratio. However, using its mini LED backlighting's 576 local dimming zones, the contrast ratio can be further bumped up to 10,000:1. Now for the gaming-oriented specs, this monitor has a 165 Hz, along with a 1 millisecond response. It also supports adaptive sync, and low blue light emission. The monitor has abundant ports. These include, 2 HDMI 2.1, and 1 DP 1.4 port with DSC support, as well as 1 USB Type-C port with 90-volt USB PD support, 1 USB Type-B port, and 2 USB Type-C port support. It also comes with a built-in pair of 2W speakers. The monitor stand offers tilt, swivel, and height adjustments and supports a 100 by 100 mm VESA wall mount. The GP27-FQS will come with a 3-year warranty and is expected to be priced around $699, which is rather affordable for a mini LED screen.